So the Pixel 7 Pro is here, which means one thing. It's time for a case video. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, Pixel 7 Pro has arrived, which means cases. So I have picked up 4 cases from Spigen, which I think are some of the best options. So let's check them out. What we have here is the new line of Spigen cases for the Google Pixel. And as you can see, these now have the made for Google branding on them. So speaking of an exclusive deal with Spigen to make cases for the Pixel. So yeah, pretty awesome. So if you're familiar with Spigen cases, the models of these are not going to be a stranger to you, so they should be pretty familiar. So let's get started. So first off, let's start with the Ultra Hybrid. So this is a clear case. I'm just going to be honest, as good as the Pixel 7 Pro is, this glossy finish, it's not a vibe. It's fingerprint central, so you need a case. So let's check this out. So there we go, pretty flexible case. Although it's solid there in the middle. Flexible at the top and at the sides, but make sure you peel off this film. Oh, that was good. Yeah. So this here would be a pretty good option if you want to showcase the color of your Pixel. Clear, see-through case. You're going to get the good quality of the Spigen case, but you're not going to lose anything of the colouring of the phone. Now what I have noticed this year with the Pixel 7 Pro, while there is still a bit of a curved display on the Pixel 7 Pro, the cases come up that little bit more than they did on the 6, which is good to see because I don't like curved displays. I think they're stupid, to be honest, and they're just an accident waiting to happen. So that's my hot take. So you'll get good protection all around, plus you'll get good cover over that camera bump as well, as you can see. So what's not to love? That's the Ultra Hybrid. Price is right here, and I will leave you a link in the description below. So the next one is the rugged Armour. Now this is a case I have showcased before for multiple phones, and if I think back, I'm pretty sure I picked it up for the Pixel 6 Pro at a time. I love the design of this. It is that sort of nice matte finish. It's a real flexible case. You know, there's no rigidness to it there at all. It's, you know, you could literally fold it in half. Look at that. Really flexible. You have a nice little design here around the camera bump, and then at the bottom you've got this sort of carbon fiber effect, which I like. And if we stick that on, 39 grams, so it's pretty minimalistic. It's not heavy. It'll still have plenty of shock absorption as well, so it's pretty nice. It's nice and minimalistic on the 7 Pro. And again, camera bump is well covered because, let's be honest, that camera bump is pure metal and that is going to scuff up like a mofo. But I like that. I like the rugged Armour. And as you can see here down the side, it's got a bit of a textured grip as well, so it does make holding it a little bit easier, and it's nice and grippy. You've also got holes here for a lanyard, which is pretty handy. Price is right here, and I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. Right, next on to the Liquid Air. Now this is a case that I have featured quite frequently. It's got a really nice design. But the one that I've always got has always been black. This one is not. This one is blue. Navy blue. Like the rugged Armour, this case as well is really flexible. Like you can literally fold that in half. But it's minimalistic and it's got this nice pattern on it. You know, which is like a, what's that? It's kind of like a honeycomb type thing. Yeah, look at that. That looks the part. That's nice. I love how the camera bump is completely concealed and there's a good bump up over it, so the metal, you know, it's never going to scratch up that metal, because let's be honest, that metal's going to scratch up pretty bad. Good clicky buttons as well. Buttons are good. And again, yeah, like there is less of a curve on this display than the 6 Pro, and you've got still good protection at the top and the bottom of the display, which is nice. So if you do set it down flat, it's going to stop that display from getting scraped on the surface, which is good. The liquid air weighs in at 34 grams as well, so it's lighter than the rugged Armour. Nice minimalistic case, it looks the part, it feels good. Textured grips on the side, pretty cheap case. Do like this, and I like that the blue is a nice welcome change, because the black is, I kind of feel like when I get the liquid air every year and black, it's just the sort of same old thing. So this changes it up a little bit. As always, price is here, and I will leave you an affiliate link in the description below. And then this one is the Tough Armour from Spigen. This one is a bit of an acquired taste, sort of. This is a thicker, heavier case. This weighs in at 59 grams. And this is, as you can see on the inside, this is filled with sort of shock absorption foam. It does exactly what it says in the tin. If you drop it, it's going to absorb. Stiff bumpers. It's pretty solid around the sides here. It's flexible where the buttons are, but otherwise it's really stiff and firm. Now, this case can be a bit of an acquired taste for some people, because this case has a kickstand in the back. So if you ever need to open it up, if you're watching content or whatever, you can kick it out and there you go. So if you like kickstand case, this is the one for you. That camera bar completely recessed to protect that metal bar, which, yeah, I'm a big fan of. And again, the buttons, can't fault them. Buttons are great on that case. And this one actually gives a little bit more of a lip up around the sides, which is good to see. And then we've of course got our good lip around the bottom and the top of the display as well. So decent case. It's thick, it's heavy. The finish on this is like a silicone-y type thing, so it makes it quite grippy. Although the sides are smooth, it still does feel grippy in the hand. I do kind of like that, to be fair. That's different. It is a bit bulkier than some of those other cases, but you're definitely getting the protection with this one. No, I do. I like that. And as always, price is here, and I will leave you an affiliate link in the description below. So there we go, guys. That is the 4 Spigen cases that I have picked up for the Pixel 7 Pro. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. To be honest, I do really like them. I like the liquid air, especially in that blue. It's very, very nice. And I will say the rugged Armour with the little carbon fiber bits on it, I do like them. And I will say the Tough Armour has impressed me. Definitely, it's solid. So yeah, those would be my top picks. Clear cases, not really my bag, but I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that like the clear cases, so there's a good option for you as well. So yeah, like I say, guys, if you're interested in picking these up, affiliate links are in the description below. They don't cost you guys any more, but they do help support the channel, so if you do buy one through one of those links, happy days. Thanks for supporting the channel. That about wraps it up for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So stay locked with the channel, guys. There's going to be more Pixel 7 content coming, so keep locked for that. And until the next one, catch you later.